Okay, these and the following examples are about evaluating by doing substitution. So it says evaluate the following terms for the values x equals 4 and x equals negative 4. Okay, so I have two things that I have to do each time. One when x is equal to 4 and another one when x is negative 4. Okay, so let's do A. So 3x squared. I want you to do it like this in your book. Notice what I'm going to be doing. So when x is equal to 4, and I'm doing it with red, then you change to black, and then you're going to say, okay, so this is going to be equal to 3 times 4 in brackets to the power of 2, because I'm substituting that x to the power of that x is equal to 4, so that's when it gets inside the brackets. So I have now, what do I have to do first? So bitmass, I have to do first brackets and indices. So this will be 3 times 16, and this one is 1848. So this is equal to 48. Wonderful. And then you do when x is equal to negative 4. So 3 brackets negative 4 to the power of 2 is equal to 3 times negative 4 times negative 4 will be also be 16. So this one is also 48. Wonderful. Let's do now B. So negative x squared when x is equal to 4. So in this case, notice that the negative is outside the x. So it's like I had negative 1 times x to the power of 2. And what do I have to do first? In bitmass, I have to do powers first, and then I multiply. So when I'm substituting, look what I'm going to do. I'm going to say this is equal to negative, and I open brackets, and I say 4 to the power of 2. And that's equal to negative 4 to the power of 2 is going to be 16. And negative 1 times 16 is equal to negative 16. And then when x is equal to negative 4, so you're going to say equal to negative, open brackets, negative 4 to the power of 2. And then this is equal to negative brackets, negative 4 to the power of 2 is 16. And then negative 1 times negative 16 is equal to negative 16. Beautiful. Let's do C. C says a square root of 5 take away x. Good. So I'm going to do it here. When I hate when notebook does this. That's why I have to do this trick of creating points to go down. Good. Okay, so when x is equal to 4, so if I sub in, I say equal to a square root of 5 take away 4, and that's equal to a square root. I have to do first what is inside. So 5 take away 4 is 1, and the square root of 1 is 1. Wonderful. And then it says when x is equal to negative 4, so that's going to be equal to 5 take away, I open brackets, negative 4. Why did I open brackets here and not here? To be honest, it doesn't make a difference, but it here is for me to make it very clear that I have a negative and another negative here. So then I have to solve what is inside the brackets first. So what do I have? I'm just going to, you can do it without the number line, but for those of you that need it. So I start with a 5. And then I have a negative, which means that I'm going to the negative side. And then I have another negative, which means that I have to change directions. How many places I have to move 4. So I'm going to end up in the positive 9. So square root of 9, and the square root of 9 is going to be equal to 3. Wonderful. So that's our example 2. We're going to do more examples in the next video.